I'm Travis. Welcome to Plus Fitness Gawler, a gym for everybody and every age. We are the friendliest, cleanest and best gym in Gawler. All memberships include unlimited use of the eVolt body scan. This provides nutritional advice as well as monitoring your progress.
Hello, I'm Rachel and I've been a PT here at Plus Fitness Gawler for 6 years.
Hi, my name is Dave and I love working at Plus Fitness Gawler.
I love working here, I love helping people, I love the atmosphere, and I love helping people achieve their goals.